Hey, my loves, today we are going to make some delicious crock pot, fall off the bone beef ribs. These are so juicy, tender, flavorful, and you ain't got to stand over the stove all day. It's just dump it in there and go about your business. So stay tuned and I'll be back. So let's get started on our crock pot riblets, okay? I have about, I would say about 3 pounds, 2.84 pounds of ribs, estimate 3. Okay, these are riblets, okay, that I cleaned. Make sure you clean your meats, guys. I mean, you know, if you want to cook your food without cleaning it, that's on you. But, you know, just to me makes the food taste fresher, okay? So I have some ribs here, and I'm going to, these are already cleaned. All right. Just throw them in the crock pot. And I have lots of videos, guys, on how to clean meats, okay? All right. I'm going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of black pepper. If you want, you can add more if you like. 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, and 2 teaspoons of this Creole seasoning. Okay. And guys, don't worry, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Okay. Okay. 2 teaspoons of that. About 3 heaping tablespoons of sofrito. Okay. You could also find recipes for that as well, guys. I have recipes for how to make sofrito, okay? About 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, okay? Now, with the sofrito, it has the garlic and everything in there, but if you don't have that, feel free to add garlic and stuff. And as far as the black pepper is concerned, guys, you can make it as spicy or as you control your heat, okay? Now, what I'm going to do, just going to give this a quick little rub. Just a quick little rub. Okay. Okay, just give it a little rub here. You could marinate this, but I ain't got time for that. All right. All right. Some lemon thyme, or some thyme, whatever. I'm going to add, I have about 2 stalks of celery here, and 1.5 large onions. Okay, that I'm adding to this. 128-ounce can of chopped tomatoes here. Okay. See? I'll probably just swizzle a little water in there just to get the remnants out. But this is going to make its own juice anyway. And we're going to add about 2 bay leaves. I'm going to break up here. Okay, and I'm just going to stir that up. Give it a little stir. Okay. Gonna break up those onions. All these beautiful flavors in here. Got quick. Okay. And you could add about a half a cup of chicken broth, because this is going to make water anyway. It's going to have its own juices, but I'm going to add about a half a cup of water. We'll make it a cup. Make it a cup. Make it a cup of water. Okay. Have my bay leaves in there. If you have some hot peppers, hot scotch bonnets, go ahead. And we're gonna cover this, guys. Now I'm gonna put this on low, so it's probably gonna take like, well, I'm gonna put it on high as a matter of fact, because I'm home. Cover this. And within 4 hours, I'll be back just to look at it. Or maybe 3. I'll come back in 3 hours, guys, just so we could check up on this, all right? And if you're doing it on low, let's say you're going out. Well, I'm home today, so, you know, if you want, what you could do is put it on low and just set it and move about your business. But if you want it a little quicker, put it on high for about 5 to 6 hours. And on low for 8 hours, 8 to 9 hours. Okay, so we'll be back. Check on our ribs here. I'm just going to use a fork. I mean, this might still have some time to go, guys, because yeah, it still has some time to go. It's after 3 hours. You know, but we're going to give it a stir. We are going to give this a stir. Okay. Look at that. I'm just going to cover it. And just let it cook, guys. So, guys, I guess part of the recording is missing, or I just didn't press record, but I added some lima beans. You could add some lima beans or butter beans to this, because we're going to serve this over some rice, or you don't have to do that at all. That's optional. Okay, but guys, in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel, and let's press that thumbs button so we can move this video out here and get that algorithm going. And let's not forget to press that notification bell so you could be notified of all new videos. And don't forget to let everybody know Jackie's cooking. There is our ribs, my love. I think it should be. Yep, these are done. They start falling off the bone. That's when you know these are done. Now, you don't have to add the lima beans or butter beans to this, but you could serve this over some white rice. Look how tender that is. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please try this recipe. Leave me your comments and enjoy. And my love, before anything, I want you to do 3 things for me. And that is eat, love, and pray. Until next time.